boy. Nothing like it, guys. Nothing like it. A meal cooked in your RV. Can't beat it. Let's do a little pepper. This is a little UST camp kit. I work here on a state park in Colorado. A lot of people fly in, go to Walmart, buy a bunch of cheap stuff, and then they give it to us because, you know, they don't want to pack it and fly it back. So that's where I got this, amongst Himalayan pink salt, really good, amongst other gear that people don't want to pack and take with them. Let's try this out. Nice and hot. Why do things taste better when you either cook them outside or cook them in your little camper? This is just crazy good. This is delicious. Wow. Hey guys, Common Sense Outdoorsman, how you doing today? Sorry for that interruption. I had a second helping of breakfast. I still have some sausage juice on my Flissa knife, but anyways, I want to go over a few things with you about this knife. I'm in my little Jayco camper, great little camper. Someday I'll show it to you and maybe do a little tour of it if you're interested, but great little travel camper for me and my wife. So I have this Flissa knife, okay, and it's a D2 Chinese knife. These knives are on Amazon. Right now on Amazon, you can get this for close to 20 bucks. Great, fantastic deal, okay, for this little knife. Here's what the box looks like. This is the type of box it comes in, okay. Some information there on the box, important information. Yeah, nice little cardboard box. It has a little plastic insert that the knife and the nylon sheath comes in. We'll toss that aside, and then you get this nice little thank you card from Flissa. Very nice. It says, simple design quality. Flissa adheres to great stars, consistent, rigorous attitude, and strictly controls the craftsmanship and raw materials of all products. The new brand is committed to the manufacture and selection of knives, multi-tools, fishing tools, etc. We strive to offer you reliability, reliable product of quality. And then it gives their email on the back. Okay, so there's that message on the back. There's their email. Great little knife. You know, they bill this as a hunting, camping, survival, fishing, hiking knife, that kind of thing. It's about 0.15, 0.16 inches thick, a nice thick little blade, little flat up there. It is a flat grind, nice tip. Okay, the tip is well done, pointy, strong, a tough looking little knife, a little guard there. G10 handles. The G10 handles do have fasteners on there. I haven't taken them off. I like the position of the lanyard hole. At least it's in the back. I think it would have been better if it was towards the bottom. That works out the best, but at least it's up and out of the way, so that's good. The handle's about a ½ inch thick. Not usually, but I do like thicker handles than this. But it's a great little knife, 8.5 inches long, about a 4-inch blade, just about a 4-inch blade. D2 steel. You see the little jimping there, which is fine. It's not rough. It's fine on your finger. Not going to beat you up at all. So one of the, and we're going to put this knife through its outside paces in another video, but one of the things, one of the complaints, and it is a fair complaint about this knife, here's the nylon sheath. Now these on this sheath are soft loops. I put those on. Those are soft loops for like what you can use for your gun holster, all kinds of things. People do use them for their knife sheaths. And I put those on there because there's the clip in the back. It's just a plastic clip. And the way the knife sits in it, if you put it on your belt with that clip, it's going to sit kind of high. I don't like that. So I put these soft loops on here. I don't know. I'm going to modify it some more because I could not use the holes on the sheath. The screws on the soft loops were too big to go through there, so I just put it through the attachment hole. So it's kind of loose, but it will ride on my belt. I like it to go on my weak side to draw it in this fashion, which works kind of good. I'm going to continue to work. I'm going to find a better way, a non-destructive way to attach these soft loops to here. Maybe I'll epoxy them on there. I don't know, but anyways, I like that Scout weak side carry better than the way it sticks up so much that way. Now, the problem with this knife was, a lot of reviews are going to have started to come out on this, and rightfully so, because it is a great knife for the money. You can get this for close to 20 bucks. You can't beat it. The knife steel of D2, it says it's heat treated between 56 and 62. That's kind of a big span. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it means the edge area has been heat treated to, 62, and then the spine and maybe the full tang has been is closer to 56. If so, I think that would be great. That's a good way to do it. But I don't know. It doesn't say. It just says between 56 and 62. I have used this knife outside. The edge holds fine. It works great. No problems with it so far. And, just a nice all-around knife. Could be a utility knife. You could use it for bushcraft, camp knife, an EDC knife, all kinds of things. We'll talk about that more when I get it outside and show you what I do with it outside. But what I want to talk about is that a lot of people have had problem with the nylon sheaths. They're being loose. I've fixed mine, and all I've done, and you can see it's not going to come out. It's in there, no rattle at all. And it does have a nice little thumb push-off ramp to take it out. Works really well. What did I do? I used the JB Weld plastic bonder. Okay, there it is. It works great. I use this on a lot of stuff. And what I did was, okay, and it's an epoxy, and I put some on the inside of the sheath, if you can see it in there. Okay, if it'll focus on that, focus on the sheath. But anyways, you can see it on that upper inside. I smeared it around, and I put a little extra on there. Then I had to get my knife and take some off to make it fit the way I wanted it. But the other good thing about putting that epoxy in there is it prevents it from separating at the seam over here. Okay, because now I've got that epoxy together. So that's what I did, totally non-destructive, and you can't see it. And the knife doesn't snap in, but I got it, like, you just push it in a little bit, it snugs in, and it is not coming out at all. Not at all. And works great. Great little knife. We'll take this outside in another video, put it through its paces, and talk about it a little bit more. So thanks for watching, guys. Common Sense Outdoorsman. We'll see you next time. Bye.